Mom, you look really exhausted today.
Yes, I feel very tired these days.
You work a lot and do everything at home.
I try to manage everything, but it is not easy.
You do not have to do everything alone.
I'm used to it, but it is becoming heavy.
We can help you more.
Would you really do that?
Of course, it is normal.
That really touches me.
We can share the chores.
That would help a lot.
You could rest a little.
Thank you. That relieves me.
We are a family.